In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to use the remote start function of the 2023 Dodge Durango. It's a pretty simple process once you know how to use it. What you're going to do first is press the lock button one time. It's going to lock the vehicle, and then you're going to press this one that looks like a little half wheel here. It says X2 on it. You're going to press that 2 times. The vehicle will honk a couple times, and then it just started up. Then once you actually get inside the vehicle to let it be able to drive, you're going to just, once you're in here, you'll notice that this is flashing on the run. All you have to do is press that button one time. Now the vehicle turns on and is ready to drive. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.